The boat of truth can shake, but it can never ever sink. This is a powerful quote about what humanity is facing right now. In our present time, there is deception, dishonesty, and distortion of facts. Yet, beyond all of this, there is an eternal law of life, which implies that truth is always stable and constant and can never be destroyed. For where there is truth, there is infinite power. Truth is deeply linked to purity. Purity is the highest truth that a human being can experience, for it is the mother of all truths, which manifest unlimited happiness, peace, and love. Purity is the lifeboat for all human beings. Yet only the true brave ones will adopt a life of purity and truth as a firm principle expressed in their every thought, word, and action. Where there is purity, there is truth. Where there is truth, one can never sink nor shake. Truth and purity sets one free and connects us to our highest expression once again.